Hi guys, today we are going to learn some small topic, yet the most important topic, that is infections in hematology. Okay, so yes, so first we'll discuss one species here. So here remember, they won't give any theoretical questions, they will give the pictures even in the exam or even in the viva also. So we should thorough with the pictures. Okay, from that we will learn the theory part. Okay, yes, first thing, what is the first stage in the erythrocytes? It is trophozoite, early trophozoite, right? That is what ring stage. Can you see here proper nice rings are there, and in each RBC here one ring, but multiple rings also there in a single RBC. So multiple rings are there, and if you see here and certain zoom in of these RBCs. So what is there? These rings, they have this, what is this dot? This is chromatin dot. Okay, this is chromatin dot. So what is happening? This chromatin dot, what it is doing? It is going and binding to the red cell membrane, right? It is attaching to the red cell membrane. What is this? Yes, you are correct. These are accolforms. By this time you understood what species we are talking about, correct? Yes. So accolforms, multiple rings are there, and after that, and again here this is a multiple rings are there. Can you see the chromatin that is attached to the membrane? Accolforms are there, but I kept this picture. What is this? What is this? What are this? Something is there, right? Some granularity. What are these? These are nothing but the pigments of the granules of the parasite, the specific species. What is this? These are Maurer's clefts. These are Maurer's clefts. Okay, these are Maurer's clefts, and this is classical sausage shaped or banana shaped or sausage shaped. Banana or sausage shaped gametocyte. Yes, is it male or female gametocyte? This one, this is female gametocyte. Okay, see here how you differentiate the male and female gametocytes. Both have this sausage shape only, but if you see these gametocytes, this one and this one, these are little slender, right? They are lean and slender. But if you see, this is the male gametocyte, little stouter. You can see the difference, right? See, these are little stouter, and that is one. Male gametocytes are stouter. Okay, stouter. And if you see the chromatin in the females, they're condensed and clumped and present in the center. But if you see, okay, I'll erase here so that you can see the diagram one. Yes, so the male gametocytes are stouter, and if you see, the chromatin is diffuse. It is present entire cell. It is present. It is the chromatin is diffuse. So that is the difference, how you differentiate the male and female gametocytes. Female are little slender and males are stouter, and the chromatin will be clumped within the center in female gametocytes, and males have diffuse chromatin. So what species we are talking about? Yes, it is falciparum. Oh, there are 4 stages, right? There are 4 stages. Which stage is missing here? Schizont. Yes, so you have to remember. I'll take different color. So Schizonts are absent in peripheral smear. Schizonts absent in PS, peripheral smear, in case of falciparum. Why? Because in falciparum, tissue schizogony occurs. That's why Schizonts are absent in the peripheral smear. This is a question, viva question. Okay. Then next one. Yeah, what are these? These are very degenerated look, like degenerated is there. We are not identifying what is this. Let's say I am saying these are the female gametocytes of Plasmodium falciparum. They are not sausage shaped, they are little degenerated, but these are female gametocytes of the Plasmodium falciparum. And what is this? Yes, you are correct. This is exflagellation. Right? This is exflagellation. These are microgametocytes which are producing these flagella-like things. This is called exflagellation. Where it should happen? This exflagellation normally, where it should happen? Normally it occurs in mosquito, right? It occurs in the mosquito. But why it is happening in our body? What happens? Why there is a female gametocytes are looking like this and there is exflagellation? What is happening here? Here there is delay in the smear preparation. That's why all these things we are seeing. There is delay in the smear making. Okay, it may be a fault of the technician, or it may be fault from the clinical side only. They have taken the sample and they didn't send immediately, and after some time they have, like at morning they have collected and evening they have sent, and we will see these changes. So what is the minimum time? What is the minimum or maximum time limit that we should make the smear? The smear for the malarial parasite should be prepared within how much time? It should be prepared within 3 to 4 hours after the sample collection. After sample collecting from the patient, we should make the smear within 3 to 4 hours. If it is delayed, then you will see all these changes. Exflagellation you will see within our body only, then there will be degeneration of the female gametocytes. So that's why you should always prepare the smear to identify, because species identification is very important. That too, identification of falciparum is very, very important, correct? So that's why we should not delay in the smear making. We should prepare within 3 to 4 hours after the sample collection. Okay? If you delay, you will see this kind of findings.